Hi, the team has the new name. Since yesterday, we are the Python Guard. We have went through the forming, storming, norming, and we have reached the performing stage. We have defined our assumptions, validated with the mentors. We had the end user feedback to receive the pain points. That allowed to shift our idea to the new direction. We have identified the problem that it takes manual work to write the scripts to detect missing expiring license. There are lack of tools available in the market to identify code authenticity. Our champion Adam works as a software developer. His goals are to improve the Python development practices in the team and mentor junior developers. We believe we have a good market fit since there are not many competitors available in the market solving the similar problem. Our solution will prevent Python code from piracy. It will trace expired and incompatible licenses. The client will have an option to pick either the cloud or on-premise solution. Now you can see the view through developers' eyes. We are going to run 16 different Python scripts to identify the code authenticity. As the results, we do see that 70% of this code is not authentical. Our solution will prove code's authentication and would allow to save time for development teams by automating scripts. Our short-term goal within the next 4 months to receive the first paid client. We believe that within the first year, we can reach 1.6 million market share. To go to market, we need a marketing content. We need to promote that, attract the first users, engage with those, and grow our user base. To take the further steps, we need the financial investment and mentoring. We believe that our product will have an impact on society. It will allow to reduce security incidents caused by human error from 3 to 5%. It will raise awareness of the code authenticity for software development companies. Here you can see our team. We met for the very first time on a Thursday, and we believe we have the right skill set to build the MVP of this product and to land the first billable client.